The M24 Sniper Weapon System, SWS, was born in the late 1980s as a militarized form of the original Remington Model 700 of 1962. The M24 SWS designation was applied to the series by the United States Army, who adopted the type as its standard tactical sniper rifle in 1988 and proceeded to use it in the American wars since Persian Gulf, 1991, Afghanistan, and Iraq. From this excellent package has come the modern incarnation of the weapon through the Remington M2010 Sniper Weapon System, SWS, maintaining all of the qualities of the original with changes better suited to the modern battlefield. The U.S. Army has since moved on, reconfiguring 3,600 of its existing M24 SWS stock to the new M2010 model. Service entry of the rifle was in 2011 with over 2,500 already in circulation. 2014. With its sound pedigree, the M2010 ESR carries over the accuracy and reliability of its predecessor and serves in the long-range tactical battlefield role. Externally, the system is quite a departure from the clean, solid stock version of the 1960s, incorporating more modern qualities such as an adjustable butt plate and cheek piece along its lightweight right folding stock, the stock titled as the Remington Arms Chassis System, RACS. The folding stock allows for a much improved carrying profile by shortening the overall length of the weapon when in transit. Viking tactical slings also allow a shoulder strap to be used. Picatinny rail sections have been added over the receiver and at the handguard for the mounting of optics and various accessories, including a folding bipod. The pistol grip is well contoured to fit the hand with the magazine detachable box, situated just ahead of the M24 style trigger unit but slung low under the mass of the receiver. The forend of the weapon is slotted around the 22 inches long cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel. An AACT-QD suppressor is fitted over the muzzle and considerably reduces muzzle flash and aids in recoil. Overall length, with the suppressor fitted, is 52 inches and 46.5 inches otherwise. Overall weight is 12.1 pounds. The detachable box magazine seats 5.300 Winchester Magnum cartridges and is managed through a manual bolt action operation. The full M2010 kit includes both a hard and soft case, the loopholed Mk4ERT 6.520x scope, suppressor, deployment kit, cleaning kit, and pouches for magazines, as well as the other expected items, operator manual, etc. The U.S. Army conversion contract was awarded to Remington in September of 2010. Early in its career, the weapon was known as the M24 Reconfigured Sniper Weapon System, RSWS, and then later carried the developmental designation of XM 2010. It is also recognized as the M2010 Enhanced Sniper Rifle, ESR.